Hello student, I hope you are doing well. Today we will do exercise 2.5 of linear equation in one variable. Question number 1 is here. X by 2 minus 1 by 5 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. What you will do? You will transpose x by 3 to left hand side. So x by 2 minus x by 3 equal to 1 by 4. We will transpose 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5 to right hand side. This will 1 upon 5. Now you can take LCM. 2 or 3 LCM is 6 here. 2 3 is 6, 3x minus 3 2 is 6, 2x equal to here 20. LCM is 20 and 4 5 is 25, 4 is 20. Now x by 6 equal to 9 upon 20. So you will multiply both sides the equation by 6. So x by 6 multiply by 6 equal to 9 by 20 multiply by 6. 6 cancel. X equal to 9 upon 20 multiply by 6. You can cancel it by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 10 20. 9 3 is 27 upon 10 is the answer of this question. So now we will do question number 2. See here, question number 2. Now we can take LCM of 2, 4 and 6. LCM is 12 here. 2 6 12, 6 and यहाँ से 2 से इसको डिवाइड करेंगे, 6 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, माइनस 4 3 जा 12, 3 3 जा 9 एंड प्लस 6 2 जा 12, 2 5 जा 10 and equal to 21. Now 9n minus 10n, that is plus 1n. This will become 10n minus 9n, that is plus n upon 12 equal to 21. So 7n upon 12 equal to 21. You will multiply both sides the equation by 12. 7n upon 12 multiply by 12 equal to 21 multiply by 12. 12 12 cancel. You will divide by 7 both sides the equation. 7n upon 7 equal to 21 into 12 upon 7. 7 से 7 cancel. n equal to 7 3 ja 21, 12 3 ja 36, n equal to 36. The solution of the equation is n equal to 36. Student, now question number 3 is here. X minus 8x by 3. You will transpose 7 here. You will also transpose minus 5x here plus 5x by 2 equal to 17 upon 6 minus 7. 7, this will 7 will transpose to right hand side. It will become minus 7. So x, now we can take 6 as a LCM. 6x 1 6 is 6, 6 multiplied by x, 6x minus 3 2 is x, 2 8 is 16x plus 2 3 is 6, 3 5 is 15. X equal to, you can take 6 as a LCM, 17 minus 42. Now 15x 6x minus x, 16x minus 15x, that is minus x, upon 6 equal to, you will subtract 17 from 72. 12 minus 7, that is 5, and this is 3 minus 1, that is 2, minus 25 upon 6. You will multiply by 6 both sides. This is 5x. 5x by 6, you will multiply by 6 both sides the equation, equal to minus 25 upon 6 into 6. 6 cancel, this 6 cancel. 5x equal to minus 25. You will divide by 5 both sides the equation. X, 5x upon 5 equal to minus 25 upon 5. 5 cancel. X equal to minus 5 the 25. X equal to minus 5 is the solution of the equation. Now see this question. You can cross multiplication here. Cross multiplication. 5 x minus 5 equal to 3 x minus 3. So you will multiply 5x minus 25 equal to 3x minus 3 3 ja 9. You will transpose 3x to left hand side and minus 25 to right hand side. So 5x minus 3x equal to minus 9 plus 25. 2x equal to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9, you will get 16. X equal to 16 upon 2, that is x equal to 8. Now question number 5. See here, 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3. You will transpose this t to left hand side. This will plus t equal to 2 by 3. Now you can take 4 3 ja 12 as a LCM. 4 3 ja 12. You will multiply by 3. 3 3 ja 9t minus 3 2 ja 6. Here is minus sign, so you will change the sign. Minus 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8t minus, this is minus sign here, so sign will be changed. 3 4 ja 12, 4 3 ja 12. 3 4 ja 12, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12 plus 12t equal to 2 by 3. So here 9t and 8t, 90 minus 8t, that is t. t plus 12t. 12t minus 6 minus 12 minus 18 minus 6 18 upon 12 equal to 2 by 3. That is 13t. 13t minus 18 upon 12 equal to 2 by 3. You will multiply both sides the equation by 12. 13t minus 18 upon 12 multiply by 12 equal to 2 by 3 multiply by 12. 3 4 ja 12, 12, 12 cancel. 13t equal to 4 to the 8 plus this 18 will come here. Transpose will transpose 18 to right hand side plus 18. 13t equal to 26. T equal to 26 by 2, that is t equal to 2. 26 by 13, that is 2. This is the answer. T equal to 2. Now see this question. You will transpose this m by 2 plus this will plus become plus m minus 2 by 3 equal to 1. Now you can take 6 as a LCM. Now here you can assume 1, denominator 1. 1 6 is 6, 6m minus, you will change here sign because minus sign outside, minus sign is here, so you will change both the sign. 2 3 is 6, 3m, this will become plus 3, 3 1 is 3 plus 3 2 is 6, 2m minus 4 equal to 1. Now 6m minus 3m, that is 3m plus 2m. 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4 minus 1 upon 6 equal to 1. 5m minus 1 upon 6 equal to 1. You will multiply by 6 both sides the equation. 5m minus 1 multiply by 6 upon 6 equal to 1 multiply by 6. 6 6 cancel. 5m minus 1 equal to 6. 5m equal to 6 plus 1. This we will transpose this minus 1 to right hand side. So 5m equal to 7. M equal to 7 upon 5 is the solution of this question. Student, now question number 7. You can do question number 7 by your own. I will tell you how you will solve. First you will multiply by this by 3 this bracket, and you will multiply by 5 by this bracket. You will put variable to left hand side and constant to right hand side. You can solve easily. And here this question you will multiply by 15 in the bracket, and here you will multiply by minus 2. The sign will be changed here, and you will multiply by 5 here. You will put left hand side, variable left hand side, and constant right hand side. You can solve easily, very easily. See here, question number 9. Question number 9 is here. Now you can multiply here. First you can transpose this 4 8z minus 13 also to left hand side. 3 5z minus 7 minus 2 9z minus 11 minus 4 8z plus this is minus 13 equal to minus 70 minus 70 minus 13 minus equal to minus 70. So you will multiply 5 3 ja 3 5 ja 15z minus 3 7 ja 21 minus 2 9 ja 18 z minus here is minus sign outside the bracket, so we will change the sign of the in the bracket, inside the bracket. This will become minus and this will become plus. 2 11 ja 22 plus minus sign is also here outside the bracket, so we will change the sign inside the bracket. Minus 32 z minus 52 equal to minus 17. Now see here, 18 minus 15, 15, 16, 17, 18. This sign will become positive sign because minus sign is here, so we will put plus 52. Now 15 minus 18, 3 minus 3z, 3z minus 3z or minus 32z, minus 32z. Now 21 minus 21 plus 22 plus 1 plus 1 plus 52 equal to minus 17. Now 32 z is here and 3 plus 32 35 minus 35 z plus 53, 51 plus 52 53 equal to minus 17. Now you will transpose 53 to right hand side. Equal to minus 17 plus minus 52 minus 53. This will become minus. So minus 35 z equal to 7 plus 3 10, 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7 minus 70. Minus 35 z equal to minus 70, z equal to, you will divide by minus 35 both sides of the equation. Minus 35 z upon minus 35 equal to minus 70 upon minus 35. This will cancel. Z equal to minus minus cancel, 35 to the 70. Z equal to 2. You will get the answer. So now see here. In this question you are seeing that there is decimal here. So first you will cancel decimal. How you will cancel decimal? You will multiply by 100 both sides the equation. So 100 multiply by 0.25 4 f minus 3 equal to 100 multiply by 0.05 10 f minus 9. See here, minus, if you multiply by 100 it will become 25. 25 decimal place will shift here, 2 place decimal shift. So 4f minus 3 equal to, when you will multiply by 0.05 by 100 you will get 5. 10f minus 9. Now you will multiply by 25. 25 4 ja 100 f minus 25 3 ja 75. 5 10 ja 50 f minus 5 9 ja 45. Now you will transpose 50 to left hand side. 100 f minus 50 f equal to minus 45 plus 75 plus 75. 50 f equal to, when you will subtract 45 0 30 minus plus 30, f equal to 30 upon 50. F equal to 30 upon Now see here, you can cancel it by 5. 5 10 50, 5 6 30. F equal to 6 by 10. That is F equal to, when you will divide by 10, you will shift decimal one place. 0.6. You will one place decimal will shift. That's all for today, children. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.